Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with just a quick living room refresh for the springtime. So if you want to see all the items and where I picked them up, just keep on watching. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me post a few pictures of my coffee table and the changes that I've made for spring. But right now I'm just going to take a little time and go through the items that I have on here. So let's start with this beautiful square gold tray that you're looking at. This is probably the only new item that I have in here. I just picked this up a few days ago at HomeSense. I just happened to run in, saw it. It was the only one they had, and I picked it up. I paid $69.99 for it. It has like the Greek key pattern on it, and I just thought it was just absolutely beautiful. It is super heavy, and I just love the size of it. It's big, it's robust, and it can hold a lot of items. Granted, I didn't put too many items in there, but if I wanted to, I could really pack it in and it would be able to contain everything. Now let's look at the items that I have inside the tray. Now you have seen these Chanel books that I DIY'd on my own last summer. I have been using them time and time again. I did a few of them as well as these ones here. And I continue to use these throughout my home for elevation and style. On top of the Chanel books, I have this beautiful gold leaf. It's like a maple leaf. I picked this up at a sale right before the Christmas last year. And inside of that, I've just added some greenery, which are some miniature topiary balls that I picked up at the Dollarama. I've also added this beautiful candle. The candle is pretty much done. It's Apple Blossom by BB, but I love the punch of color. It's like a pretty pink, almost close to a red. The true color is not reflected here, but it's like a really bright pink. It smells amazing, and I burnt it. I picked it up last year in Burlington, but I just absolutely love the container that it's in and the color of it, obviously. I have that on a small stand for elevation. And in the very back, I have my two honeycomb candle holders. And I've had these for about, I want to say 2 years. I think I also did pick these up in Burlington a while back, but it blends nicely with my colors and it adds a lot of texture to this little vignette that I have created. Right next to my tray, I have, again, as I stated earlier, used my DIY books for elevation. And I have this jar with flowers. I've had these flowers for a while, and I just mixed the hydrangeas in with the pink peonies to kind of incorporate a little bit more color in my space. Okay, let's move over to the sofa and these pillows that I have here. You have seen these pillows before, all of them at some point. I just decided to mix and match them for the spring to go with the other decor. My beautiful throw here that I have, it is so plush and it is so beautiful. I think I purchased it at HomeSense last year. It has slight hues of pink in it. It can go with pinks. It can absolutely go with the golds. You could add purple. It just has different faint hues going through, and I absolutely love it. I purchased it so I could use it for Christmas, and I have just kept it on. I don't think that I'll be changing it throughout the year, not unless I do something completely drastic, but I just love the look that it has and the fluffiness, and it just makes the space that much more inviting. As for the pillows, I'm using this one again with like the Greeky pattern, and it matches my tray on the table very, very well. And I've just paired it with these pink ones that I picked up at HomeSense, I believe. I'm honestly not sure. I actually used these last year in the same space. I can't remember if it was through the spring or the summer months, but I did. And I believe I got these gold ones from Burlington last year as well. So I have two of these here as well as on the opposite side of the sofa. Now this one here in the center has been there since Christmas. I purchased it in Atlanta and I got a pair of them at Home Goods there in Buckhead. I just love these. I just absolutely love the beading. It is so gorgeous. It has a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of shine, and it just really helps to tie these ones on the sides together. So it's almost as if it adds the elegance to these ones that are a little bit more playful. Absolutely beautiful. On the side of the room, you will see my black chairs with this little table in the center that I DIY'd years ago. The top of it is actually a clock that I thrifted from, I think it was Value Village. I'll leave a link for this DIY clock table for you in my description box so you can take a look. And on top of that, though, I just added the tray, which is covering the clock, just for a little bit of change and to add some gold on this side. Again, there are two more of my DIY Tom Ford and Versace books. And this box here, I don't even remember what I got in this box, but I painted it black and just added some Totally Dazzled bling wrap to it and this beautiful brooch. And then I went in with these beautiful flowers. And on my black chairs, I'm just putting these lumbar pillows that are absolutely beautiful. And I got these last year as well, right before Christmas at a sale. Right next to the chairs, I have this kind of smoky mirrored table, a console table. I thrifted this about 2 years ago for like $10, and I was about to throw it out, and my husband's like, no, why are you gonna throw that good table out? Just put it somewhere. So I placed it over here for now, and on top of it, I have this beautiful vase with these foxtails that I picked up at Pier 1 last summer. And you may have already seen this. This is my painting that I did a few videos ago. I did two of them. This is just one that I've placed here temporarily, and I will find its right and proper home real soon. Now this is kind of coming off yellow in this video, but it's actually gold and silver. I feel like I want to make a pink one to kind of go with this room. Let me know if that is something that you would enjoy for me to do another painting, maybe slightly different pattern, but definitely using glitter. in a pink color. This entire side of the room with these tiny mirrors and this table that I thrifted at the Salvation Army. I'm going to change the whole wall. I'm just looking to get the right things for it, and that painting that I'm speaking to you about, if you want to see it, might just be the right thing for this side of the wall. So let me get to it. I'll start it, and then if you want me to continue, then I will make haste and just show you how I have changed this wall. And there you have it, guys. This is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you stopping by. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you as well joining me today. And I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload videos such as this. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.